This story begins in Osaka with a founder who emphasized the importance of integrity. This commitment evolved into a mission to protect people's lives and health. Years after the company's foundation, two leaders who upheld the founder's values emerged: Naokichi Uchibayashi and Jiro Takeda. Their integrity and innovative approach paved the way for Takeda's future. It was in the late 1800s that Naokichi Uchibayashi's work revolutionized the pharmaceutical industry in Osaka. At the time, many powdered pharmaceuticals were of inferior quality. Naokichi, who managed his own pharmaceutical business, introduced standards before the concept of quality assurance had been established. He created a system for producing powdered medicines under the supervision of a sanitary testing lab and attached a test certificate to each product. This initiative enhanced the quality of pharmaceuticals and set a new standard in Japan's pharmaceutical industry. Around the same time, Chobei Takeda IV observed the presence of counterfeit and non-compliant products on the market, which led him to recognize the need for reliable pharmaceutical products. Aware of Naokichi's strong reputation, Chobei Takeda IV entrusted him with production for Takeda. In 1895, Naokichi renovated an empty house in Kitaku, Osaka, and established Uchibayashi Drug Works, an exclusive factory for Takeda. This marked the beginning of Takeda's pharmaceutical business. The factory successfully produced bismuth subnitrate, an antidiarrheal drug, and saccharin, which was in short supply in Japan, thus laying the foundation for Takeda's early pharmaceutical history. In 1907, Takeda's testing department was established within the factory, launching a full-scale quality testing initiative. This included in-house testing alongside assessments from the Ministry of Home Affairs' Osaka Hygienic Laboratory, ensuring that products met high-quality standards. The spirit of Naokichi, who was deeply committed to pharmaceuticals and prioritized quality to protect people's health, is still evident in Takeda today. Meanwhile, a new opportunity emerged for Takeda. Thanks to a man named Jiro Takeda. He was the younger brother of Chobei Takeda V. Jiro facilitated drug discovery by uniting exceptional researchers with world-class intelligence and talent. In 1914, Takeda's research department was formed, marking the beginning of Takeda's research activities. This department was headed by Jiro Takeda. The initial focus was on researching methods to produce compounds with sedative properties, which were later commercialized as a sedative hypnotic drug. In 1918, the research department, led by Jiro Takeda, was integrated with the manufacturing and testing department, led by Naokichi Uchibayashi. This marked the beginning of serious efforts to develop new drugs. By 1925, Takeda had launched 59 new drugs, including 17 imported treatments, establishing itself as a leader in the pharmaceutical industry. Jiro Takeda profoundly understood his responsibility as leader of the research department and dedicated himself to identifying and nurturing talent. As a result, his team developed in ways that exceeded expectations and achieved significant results. Jiro Takeda's firm belief that the growth of a company lies in its people was a conviction that would shape the future of Takeda. Naokichi Uchibayashi and Jiro Takeda laid the foundation of the pharmaceutical industry. The intertwining of their paths led Takeda to achieve significant growth. Today, Takeda remains committed to the discovery and delivery of life-transforming treatments for patients worldwide, while continuing to embrace new challenges. The company's core value of integrity and its innovative spirit will continue to be passed on to future generations, long into the future.